Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear brothers and sisters, Ramadan is swiftly slipping away, and soon the blessed last 10 nights will be upon us. Allah Azza wa Jalla reminds us in the Quran, Laylatul Qadr khayrun min alfi shahr. The night of Al-Qadr is better than 1,000 months. Laylatul Qadr is the night of power, the night of fate, a pinnacle of divine mercy and blessing. This night holds unparalleled significance, offering us the opportunity to reap rewards beyond measure. Let us seize this opportunity, this moment, ensuring our deeds on this blessed night are multiplied manifold. Now is the time to intensify our worship, dear brothers and sisters in Islam, to engage in every act of ibadah possible. And what better way to secure the reward of giving sadaqah on Laylatul Qadr by automating your donations over the last 10 nights of Ramadan. Don't let this opportunity slip away. Catch Laylatul Qadr by automating your donations now at greenlanemasjid.org/Ramadan-giving. May Allah Azza wa Jalla grant us the wisdom to maximize our rewards on this blessed night and shower us with His endless blessings. Ameen. Until I see you next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.